guys, welcome back to Mr. Gear 45, and today we're in the garage. It's got a lot of tools and stuff. So today we're gonna be doing a little fishing tour. No, not a fishing tour. My tackle box tour, what I got and everything. So if you don't know why, I'm gonna start this fishing series where I'm building a pond. I'm gonna show you how to fillet a fish, make a pond, and all kinds of stuff. It's gonna be pretty lit, and so I don't really have a tripod, so what I do is just like it's somewhere where I don't really want to get it. I'm too lazy. So today we're using that. Okay, drill. Okay, hold on. Alright, so there's our view. So let's get started. Alright, so first thing I want to show you is we got boots. Hold on. So we got these boots here for going in the water if you get hot and you want to sit in the water and fish there. So you don't have to bring your stuff and stuff. Yeah. So we got those. Okay, so then I'm gonna get to the crawfish stuff later. Okay, so here's the actual tackle box. Not too much. I can't remember the price. It's not bad. It's got a top compartment here. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things up in here. So yeah. Then we're gonna go to we're gonna do that later. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you what's actually inside. So if you don't like the smell of fish, you could always use this stuff, Fish Defunk. So I got 2 packets of those. I have a fillet knife. I got bobbers, a net, small net, whistles. I got 2 of them. I didn't even know this was in here. A little fishing guide, I guess. This power bait stuff, extra scent, glitter trout bait. That stuff's good. And we got some different hooks. We got these little J hooks. Those are really good. They come in handy. And we got these small hooks for like trout or smallmouth bass or something. Then we got these hooks. Okay, now then we got some catfish bait. This stuff is really good. It works a lot. Stinks a lot though. That's why you always want to bring a packet of gloves with you when you go fishing. Like I prefer using these gloves here, these type. Yeah, when you're doing that, you always want to have gloves because then it's gonna be really hard to get off. So then I got these Hardy gloves. You can get these at any Walmart or Bass Pro Shops or Harbor Freight. I would go to Harbor Freight because they got tools and gloves and stuff. So we got some more trout bait. We got exactly, I think 4 of those. 3 the same color and 1 different. So we also got some of these lures. Can you see that? Hold on, let me get some better lighting. Okay, so where was I? Oh yeah. That's what we got. Then we got some more lures. Gary Yamato. This fishing lures. Mind you, I bought this last year. Hasn't ever been used. So we got some trout nuggets. I got 2 packs of those. Here, okay. And we got wild cat blood. Pre-molded catfish bait. Larger reusable bags. pretty good. We got some fishing line here just in case we run out and stuff. So let me put all this stuff back in. Okay, so now we're going to the bottom chamber. Okay, so we got 2 boxes here, and we're gonna do this one last. That's what I hate when this happens. Okay. If you hear me going like, I don't know what's wrong with me, I just keep doing it. So, we got a lot of these type of lures. They look like squids and stuff. We got some of these ones. There's also squids. I think this is supposed to like represent a what's it called? Shrimp or something. We got lots of those. We got some in black and green. Got something like this. Or I think this is supposed to represent shrimp. I don't know. We got some more white like that, like the other one. Some more black ones. Some orange. So these black ones with sparkles in it still. Look at that. We got some hooks in different sizes like this with weights on them. Very handy if you don't have any weights. Well, now you do. We have a bobber. Your regular bobber. Okay, then we got some small swivels. Okay, so now let's get into the other one. Yeah, it's gonna be a long video. Okay, so what we got in this one is we got some weights, 2-pounder weights, or I don't know. No, it's not 2 pounds. I'm stupid. I think that's like, I don't know. Leave in the comments down below whatever you think this is. It has a 2 on it. It has a 2. I'm stupid. I'm new to this stuff, so don't judge me. Got some swivels. More swivels. Got some more swivels. That's one of the things I mostly have that I will never really run out. These little clear balls, I don't really know what these are, so leave in the comments down below what you think those are. So we're done with this fishing box. That is not all yet. So I'm gonna put this over here for now. Okay, so we have a crawfish trap. If you don't really know how these work, what you do is you get some, I would prefer some cat food. I would prefer using cat food. You could keep it in the can if you want. It's whatever your choice is. What I would do is I would just open it and just put it in the can, you know. Then I would like put a little bit right there and stuff. I would have to watch the video again. Go subscribe to Ace Videos because he's the one who showed me this stuff. Most of it, well, the crawfish. So you will be seeing me catching crawfish. I can't take you guys underwater unless I like buy like I don't know, like something waterproof. So I got one of those. Alright, next. Alright, this is the last one here. They're probably like, thank God. No, I got a couple more things. So, if you don't know, my name is Sunny. Funny. Okay, so we got some more of that catfish bait. One final look. We got some more fishing line, lots of it. A giant bobber. We got this thing here, so you could find so you could dig out the dirt and you could find some pretty good things, I guess. I don't know. We got some lures, power bait, fish bite, and won't let go. I'm not sure about that. We got a 3D trout. It's from Savage Gear. I think you would be using that for like sharks or something. We got some of these. We got some more of those bait. We got this that really comes in handy. When your fish bites it, it'll shake like that. Got some more weights. Another fillet knife. Very sharp. Another lure. And another bobber. So that's what's in there. So this here is an extra box so you could transport your fish. What I would consider do is putting water in there, your fish and your crawfish and whatever. And then I would put duct tape around it for extra. What's it called? Extra seal. So, alright, this is the last thing. No, we have one more item to go. We got this gigantic net. This is for like catfish and stuff. Trout, maybe. Really long, you could... Hold on. Pull it back, snaps into place. Go and catch your fish. So, okay. And then I have some more nets. And I got another fishing rod. I got a really good fishing rod and a handheld net. Well, it's all handheld, but it's like that big. And I just got this little net here. Yeah. So let me get a thumbnail real quick. Let me get a thumbnail. Okay, got the thumbnail. So upcoming videos of me fishing and stuff coming later. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, smash that like button, and peace.